Hey everybody, Nick Gumpert here with 3 Max Top Producers. We got Susie Shin with us from Caliber Home Loans.
Hi guys.
And thank you for joining us because I wanted to create this segment for first-time home buyers specifically. And we've got those professionals in their own respective spaces, and Susie, being a lender, can talk to you first-time home buyers. Specifically, let's talk about credit.
Yes.
Why does that matter for first-time home buyers?
You know what? Some people don't think that credit is really important, especially with the older generation. They're so used to paying in cash and they don't want to borrow any money. So they fail to realize why credit is actually really important. Not just to have a good credit score, but about building your credit as well too. So it's really important that you pay everything on time, that you don't have any blemishes in your credit, because it will affect you from buying a home.
Okay, so let's talk about then, what is a low credit score?
So a low credit score really depends on the person. Some people, if you're looking into buying a home, the minimum credit score is only 580. So that's pretty much what your goal is. But if your goal isn't necessary to buy a home, then you can kind of have whatever you want, but having a lower credit score even hurts you from getting a credit card, cell phones, rent. So it is important, but to buy a home, the minimum credit score is 580.
Okay, and then how about, I know my credit score and I know it's at 580 or I know it's at 600. How do I build that up?
So there's a few different things that you can do, but you want to see what's on your credit report. So on your credit report, there could be derogatory items, some collection items. So it's going to be a hit or miss of exactly what you want to pay off or pay down. But ultimately, you want to see what's on your credit report and have either a lender or someone who's a professional who can help you understand your credit, what you can do to improve it as well too. But another option is that a lot of people, they can build their credit by getting a secured credit card. A secured credit card is something that you can get from your bank. All you need to do is say if you want a limit of $1,000, then you do have to deposit $1,000 into that credit card, and that becomes your credit limit.
Okay.
So there's things like that you can help build it, but they're all little simple things. You don't always have to go to a credit repair person. You just need someone who actually would has the time to help you build it and understand it.
Yep. And Susie just touched on it right there. Ask questions and lean on professionals to help you navigate your personal experience within your goals of owning real estate. So guys, we're here for you. Feel free to reach out at your convenience. Hopefully we'll talk soon.
Thank you. Bye.